Chapter 1: Introduction to AI. Knowledge Goals. After studying this chapter, students will be able to know about AI and its features, know how AI has evolved, learn about advantages and disadvantages of AI. Short and crisp. Artificial intelligence, AI, enables computers to think and perform tasks like humans. From virtual assistants to intelligent robots, AI offers smart solutions to everyday problems. About artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, involves the utilization of software technologies to enable robots or computers to imitate human behavior and cognition. AI is the process of machines, particularly computer systems, simulating human intelligence to perform various tasks. AI encompasses the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, focusing on tasks that typically require human-like thinking and actions. The field of AI aims to create systems that can learn, reason, solve problems, perceive, and make decisions similar to humans. AI can be classified into two types: narrow or weak AI, which is designed for specific tasks, and general or strong AI, which has broader intellectual abilities similar to humans. Recent advancements in AI, particularly in deep learning and neural networks, have led to remarkable achievements in areas like as healthcare, finance, and transportation. While AI can replicate human intelligence to a certain degree, it is important to recognize that AI lacks true consciousness and emotions since it is developed based on human programming. As AI technology continues to progress, ethical considerations and responsible development are essential to ensure its positive impact on society. Artificial Intelligence. John McCarthy. John McCarthy, an American computer scientist and cognitive scientist, is credited with coining the term artificial intelligence in 1955. He played a key role in establishing AI as a field and is considered one of its founding fathers, along with notable figures such as Alan Turing, Marvin Minsky, Alan Newell, and Herbert A. Simon. One of McCarthy's major contributions was organizing the famous Dartmouth Conference in the summer of 1956, which marked the beginning of AI as a distinct and expanding area of study. Features of AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, comprises a diverse set of technology and applications. Here are some important features of AI. 1. Self-learning. AI systems are capable of learning from experience without explicit programming. 2. Predictive analytics. AI system can analyze historical data to make predictions about future events. 3. Big data processing. AI is often used to process and analyze large volumes of data quickly, showing useful patterns and insights that humans may struggle to detect. 4. Adaptability. AI system can adapt to changing circumstances and evolving data. 5. Problem solving. AI is designed to solve problems by analyzing data, identifying patterns, and make decisions. Need for artificial intelligence. So far, we've learned that intelligence cannot be compared or measured accurately. This raises a common question: why do we need artificial intelligence? The answer lies in today's rapidly changing technological world, where most people rely on the internet. The vast and fast use of the internet generates enormous amounts of data from both humans and machines, far beyond our ability to process and make decisions from it. Since it's impossible for individuals or even groups to efficiently manage and analyze such huge data sets, the need for artificial intelligence arises. Computers excel at processing complex data and calculating numerous possibilities to arrive at the best decisions. AI, along with its advancements in machine learning and deep learning, is becoming the foundation for future business decision-making. Applications of artificial intelligence. Applications of artificial intelligence can be seen in everyday scenarios such as financial services, fraud detection, retail purchase predictions, and online customer support interactions. Here are just a few examples. Fraud detection. The financial services industry uses artificial intelligence in two main ways. First, AI is used to assess the creditworthiness of applicants when they apply for credit. More advanced AI systems are also used to monitor and detect fraudulent payment card transactions in real time. 2. Virtual Customer Assistance, VCA. Call centers use VCA to predict and respond to customer inquiries without human interaction. Voice recognition, combined with simulated human dialogue, is the first point of interaction in a customer service inquiry. Higher-level inquiries are redirected to a human. 3. Chatbot. When a person starts a conversation on a webpage through a chatbot, they are often interacting with a computer running specialized artificial intelligence. If the chatbot can't understand or respond to the question, a human steps in to communicate directly with the user. These instances, where the chatbot fails to interpret the query, are fed into a machine learning system to improve the AI for future interactions. Evolution of artificial intelligence. The field of AI was formally established in 1956 at a conference held at Dartmouth College in Hanover, New Hampshire, where the term artificial intelligence was first coined. Now, let's explore the evolution of AI. Checkers playing computer program. In 1952, Arthur Samuel, a computer scientist, created a checkers playing computer program that became the first to autonomously learn how to play the game. Lisp, list processing. In 1958, John McCarthy introduced Lisp, which remains the most widely used and preferred programming languages for artificial intelligence research even today. ELIZA. In 1965, Joseph Weizenbaum, a computer scientist and professor, created ELIZA, an interactive computer program capable of engaging in functional English conversations with people. WebBot 1. In 1970, Japan's Waseda University initiated the development of WebBot, Waseda Robot, an intelligent robot with the ambitious goal of creating a personal robot that closely resembled a human in appearance and capabilities. WebBot 2. In 1980, Waseda University successfully built WebBot 2, a significant advancement over its predecessor. This version of WebBot, a humanoid robot, showcased impressive capabilities including the capability to communicate with people and read musical scores to play music on an electronic organ. Driverless van. In 1986, under the guidance of Ernst Dickmanns, Mercedes-Benz developed and launched a driverless van equipped with cameras and sensors. This advanced vehicle was capable of reaching speeds of up to 55 miles per hour on a road without obstacles or human drivers. ALICE. In 1995, computer scientist Richard Wallace created the chatbot ALICE, Artificial Linguistic Internet Computer Entity, drawing inspiration from Weizenbaum's ELIZA. Deep Blue. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue, a chess-playing computer, achieved a historic milestone by becoming the first computer to defeat a reigning world champion, Garry Kasparov, in both a single chess game and an entire match. Kismet. In 2000, Professor Cynthia Breziel created Kismet, a robot designed with a human-like face included eyes, lips, eyelids, and eyebrows. This remarkable robot could recognize and simulate emotions through its facial expressions. Asimo. In the year 2000, Honda introduced Asimo, an artificially intelligent humanoid robot, to the public. iRobot. In 2002, iRobot introduced Roomba, an autonomous robot vacuum cleaner capable of navigating around obstacles while cleaning. Driverless car. In 2009, Google quietly developed a driverless car, which successfully passed Nevada's self-driving test by 2014. Watson. In 2011, IBM's natural language question-answering computer, Watson, reached a significant milestone by defeating two former Jeopardy champions, Ken Jennings and Brad Rutter, in a televised game. Siri. In 2011, Apple introduced Siri, a virtual assistant integrated into its iOS operating system. Siri uses a natural language interface to understand, infer, and provide answers and recommendations to users. Alexa. In 2014, Amazon created Alexa, initially designed as a home assistant, which evolved into smart speakers with personal assistant functionality. Sophia. In 2016, Hanson Robotics developed a humanoid robot named Sophia, who gained recognition as the world's first robot citizen. Google Home. In 2016, Google released Google Home, a smart speaker powered by AI, capable of acting as a personal assistant to help users with tasks, appointments, and information retrieval via voice commands. Bixby. In 2018, Samsung introduced Bixby, a virtual assistant with features that include voice recognition, allowing users to ask questions and receive recommendations and suggestions. Advantages of artificial intelligence. Although artificial intelligence is difficult for beginners, still it offers great opportunities for developing intelligent machines that can transform computer science on its head. Following are the advantages of artificial intelligence. It reduces human errors and performs various tasks with greater efficiency by using intelligent systems. 2. Intelligent systems can also perform daunting tasks that are beyond human reach, such as exploring the ocean and completing various labor-intensive tasks with ease. 3. Many applications have been developed using artificial intelligence. The iPhone Siri and Microsoft's Cortana were created based on artificial intelligence technology. These are interactive assistants that help you use your smartphones. 4. With the help of artificial intelligence technology, one can develop digital assistants that reduce need for manpower. These assistants can perform tasks with remarkable efficiency. In the medical field, radiosurgery has been used for tumor treatments developed with the help of artificial intelligence. 6. Using artificial intelligence can improve the productivity, efficiency, and accuracy of your products. Disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Some common disadvantages of AI are as follows. AI systems operate based on predefined algorithms and data patterns, lacking true creativity and understanding. 2. AI models depend on large amounts of data. 3. Implementing AI technology often involves significant upfront costs, including infrastructure, training, and development expenses. 4. Robot and AI could take over jobs like data entry, assembly line work, and customer service. A significant disadvantage of AI is that it cannot learn to think outside the box.